Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Actually Blue Monday today of all days, and I'm definitely one of those people. I'm not a big fan of Mondays, but nevertheless I thought I would do a kind of all day clean with me. I've got a lot of housework to catch up on. I'm gonna just see how I pan this out, because obviously I have to split my cleaning time between my jobs. If you like cleaning motivation videos, or generally just like watching people clean like I do, then keep watching to see how I get on.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
Meet the bane of my life. Why do I do it to myself every single time? I never learn my lesson, ever.
And that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get
So with what feels like a million years after putting the washing away, I'm putting another load on, because as you can see, the washing in my house is never ending. Time to tackle the breakfast pots before I make a start on the kitchen. Pots or dishes, what do you call it? Let me know in the comments below. Bringing out the trusty Sephora, and I'm using one of my faves, which is pink grapefruit. That and spring bouquet. I feel there is so many choices with Sephora. What are your firm faves? Because I'm looking to try a new scent.
Let's hit the club, time to make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud and come on, lose control. Get to live or we get too old. Come on, shine a little tonight. Let's get loud and come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for gold. We can shine a little tonight.
Does anyone else like to keep on top of the kitchen and bathroom on a daily basis like me? When it does come to that time of the week to give it a thorough clean, I just find it's not so messy and it's just more time efficient. Things like the kitchen cupboards and the microwave and the oven, they're not as dirty, so you can just get in there and get out.
We can shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel
I am taking full advantage of the sunshine because it means I can put my washing outside. Yay!
I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
The one job I have neglected to do recently, and that is fluffing up the sofa cushions and hoovering underneath. Let me tell you, there is so much that can accumulate in a month. It is awful. So note to self, make sure I do this at least once a week.
Climb
The one thing that I find rather strange is that even though I don't have small children anymore, I am still forever having to clean off mucky handprints from the TV.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for.
So there's me thinking I'd be able to smash the whole entire house today. Turns out I can't. It's 3:15. I need to go get Sophie. I'm starting work early tonight, so when I get back in, it's like cook, feed the kids, go to work. A mother's job, or should I say a woman's job, is never done.